How to download and install HITV on your laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download HITV on your laptop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's get started. So the first step is open up a web browser and simply search for HITV PC. After you search for that, you should see an option for HITV web. So you can open that up if you want to. So right here you will see the web version of HITV and there you should see a download option. Now you can tap on the download button, but you will notice that the download button is for the Android users only. So if you're an Android user, you can scroll this and download it on your Android device, but you cannot download it for your PC. So what you can do is there you will see HITV website for the app version. So you can simply open that up, and if you scroll down, there you see the install button. So you can tap on install and it should take you to another page or redirect you, and then your download should begin. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That is how you download HITV on your PC. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.